Hello, in front of me I've got T-MOBILE REVVL 6. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, go to security, enter screen lock, unlock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's use all of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, PIN, password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can set up fingerprint unlock, and now we have to simply scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the power button. Simply tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Last method of unlocking the phone is face unlock. You have to simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, I'm not able to scan my face right now, but basically you put your face in front of the front camera and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.